Hey guys, welcome to Intellect Digest. I'm your host Rohit Khurana. Let's get started with this episode. In this video, we will unbox a very exciting phone which comes packed with a lot of features and performance at a budget of under 12,000 rupees. We are talking about the latest U series phone from Vivo, the vivo U20. Let me quickly unbox the phone first and show you the package contents. In the box, you get phone itself, some documentation. There's also an included protective back case, a SIM ejector tool, an 18-watt fast charger included in the box. The U20 looks quite attractive and has a very beautiful design. The vivo U20 packs in some really impressive features including a large 6.53-inch FHD Plus O-type IPS display with great saturation and contrast levels. It is protected with a superior scratch-resistant Panda MN228 glass which scores a 700 on the Waker's hardness test, 62 points higher than the Gorilla Glass 5. In terms of performance, it is powered by a fast yet frugal Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 CPU with artificial intelligence engine for great photography and other AI capabilities. It gets either 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4 RAM with 64 GB of super fast UFS 2.1 storage. This combination makes the vivo U20 a super performer when it comes to multitasking as well as gaming. On AnTuTu, it scores close to 2.1 lakhs. For uninterrupted entertainment and gaming, there is a large 5000 mAh battery along with 18-watt dual-engine fast charging with a charger bundled in the box. Now let's talk cameras. In terms of camera performance, U20 offers a triple rear camera which is AI capable with 16 megapixel primary lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 2 megapixel dedicated super macro lens. On the front is a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Here are some samples shot on this phone on your screen to analyze the camera performance. We are quite impressed with the features and especially with the modes including AI super wide angle, bokeh, super macro, AI portrait, 4K video recording at 60 fps, AR stickers, etc. For user convenience, there is a physical fingerprint scanner at the back of the phone which makes it quite convenient and fast to unlock. On software front, there is FunTouch OS 9.2 based on Android 9.0 which gives fast and intuitive user interface. So what are my final thoughts about the vivo U20? I feel that the vivo U20 ticks all the right boxes including good display, powerful performance, great cameras, smooth and fast software interface, along with a large battery and fast charging with fast charger in the box. It is definitely a great value for money phone. If you want to pick up one for yourself, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below where you can get one for the Best Buy price. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up. Do let us know in the comment section below what you think about this and do share your suggestions. Subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.